Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to draw a beautiful mountain scenery in MS Pen. In this scenery there are some mountains, two trees and a purple night sky. It's a very simple and easy scenery, so not doing any delay, let's start. First go to the resize and select page size as 987 into 552 px. Now select yellow and line shape and now draw on the canvas. And now select fill. Select orange and fill the canvas. Now select purple and use previous method. Select some dark shade of purple. Now select more dark shade of purple. To blend this color, go to the resize, select pixels, untick aspect ratio and put horizontal value 1. Again same process, but now this time put horizontal value 987. Now select entire canvas. Hold the lower line and shrink up the selection. Now select color picker and pick the lower color and now fill the lower portion. Now you can see the sky is ready. Select pencil tool and use black to draw the outline of this mountain. Now select fill and black and draw the dark side of these mountains. Select white and draw the highlight of these mountains. And now use normal brush, black and white. Select dark purple and natural pencil brush. And now use light gray. Select dark green and normal brush to draw the ground. Select natural pencil brush and green to give some highlight on this ground. To draw the tree, select pencil tool and black. And last, draw the stars. Hope you guys like the video. Thanks for watching. Stay happy and bye.